Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. In this video, we are gonna talk about the rules of Noon and Meem Mushaddada. We will cover what is the meaning of Mushaddad letter, and we will take some examples of Noon and Meem Mushaddada. If you wanna know, let's start. The meaning of Mushaddad letter, it means that I'll double the same letter. For example, when I say An-Nas, An-Nas, so Noon here carries Shadda, so I'll double this Noon to be two, yes, to be two Noon. The first one always be sakin, and the second maybe comes with fatha, for example, an-nas or damma kasra, okay? The first one always comes with sukoon, okay? And the second maybe comes with fatha, damma or kasra when I say an-nas. So when noon sakina or meem comes with this sign shadda, it means that I'll pronounce this noon and meem with gunna with two counts. Let's see some examples on noon and meem mushaddada. When I say فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانِ فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانِ فَأَمَّا أَمَّا, the first meem sakina and the second is voweled with fatha فأما. When I say also الجنة الجنة من الجنة والناس الجنة, the first noon sakina because we have shadda, the first noon always sakina as we have learned it, and the second vowel here الجنة with fatha. So I'll pronounce this noon with gunna with two counts. If the reciter stops on a word that ending with noon or meem mushaddada, the gunna will be pronounced. For example, when I say thum, thum, okay, I'll say thum when I stop on this meem, and when I say وَخَلَقَ الْجَانَّ. If the reciter stops on a word that ending with noon or meem mushaddada, gunna will be pronounced. For example, when I say thum, thum, okay, the reciter stopped on meem mushaddada, so the gunna will be exist. I'll say thum. With noon, when I say latus'alun, so we have noon mushaddada comes at the end of this word, so the gunna will be pronounced. I'll say la tus'alun. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of mushaddad letter, and we have learned the rules of noon and meem mushaddada. I think that's all I can see, inshallah, in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.